Today, I found a faceless YouTube niche where creators make cozy anime survival stories like surviving in a spaceship, submarine, or treehouse during a zombie apocalypse. Videos like these rack up hundreds of thousands of views, and the whole style can be recreated with AI. But instead of manually jumping between different AI tools, I want to test a new workflow with Claude and Higgsfield MCP. Claude will act like the brain. It will analyze this niche, create the story, write the scenes, and prepare the prompts. And Higgsfield MCP will act like the hands, generating the visuals and helping turn this idea into real AI content directly through Claude. So in this video, I'll use Claude and Higgsfield MCP to create a full faceless channel workflow from one idea, surviving inside a spaceship during a zombie apocalypse. Now let me show you how to connect Higgsfield MCP to Claude. First, open Claude and start a new chat. Then click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and go to Settings. After that, open the Connectors tab and click the blue Customize button. Now click the plus icon at the top and choose the second option, Add Custom Connector. This part is simple. Go to the official Higgsfield MCP page using the link in my description. Copy the connector name and paste it into the first field. Then copy the Higgsfield MCP URL and paste it into the second field. After that, click Add. Now click the white Connect button. Claude will ask you to sign in with the same account you use on Higgsfield. Make sure you log in with the correct Higgsfield account. Then click the purple Allow button, wait a few seconds, and that's it. Higgsfield MCP is connected to Claude. Now on the right side, enable all the permissions just like I'm doing here. After that, go back to your Claude chat, click the plus button, open Connectors, and you should see Higgsfield MCP with a blue checkmark. Now you can use Claude together with Higgsfield MCP to create images, videos, and animations directly inside this workflow without constantly jumping between different tools. Now let's start making the images for our future animations. First, send Claude a screenshot from the video so it understands what kind of graphics we want, and then write this prompt. I found a faceless YouTube niche about cozy anime survival stories during a zombie apocalypse. The style is soft, hand-painted anime, with cinematic lighting, detailed backgrounds, and a cozy but dramatic mood. Help me create a 1-minute video concept in this style. Then write your own story and work out the details you want to see, or the things you do not want to see. It wrote all 8 scene prompts for us right away, and now we guided it, and it broke my story down scene by scene. Great. Next, write this request. Use Higgsfield MCP to generate the first image for a 1-minute faceless video in a cozy hand-painted anime survival aesthetic. At the beginning, make sure you write the phrase, use Higgsfield MCP for image generation. As you can see, Higgsfield MCP connected to Claude and started generating the image. I'm using a consistency tool to keep my characters consistent so they don't change from scene to scene. We wait a little, and done. The first scene turned out great, with exactly the graphics we needed. Now keep doing the same thing. Just use the second prompt, wait for the image generation, and continue doing this in chronological order until the end of the scenes. You can have more scenes too, for example 20 or 15, depending on your story and imagination. Be sure to come up with your own original story. In the meantime, all of my images are ready. As you can see, it turned out really cool. A cozy atmosphere inside the train, while outside the window there is a zombie apocalypse. Now let's move on to the animation. Find our first image. Below the image, there is a green animate icon. Click on it. Claude will select it. And all you need to do is write your prompt and send it. Write your prompt. We are using Seedance 2.0, so you can specify an animation length from 3 to 15 seconds. Then send it and wait. Higgsfield MCP will connect the animation model and start animating the first image. The first animation is ready. The family is running to the train to escape from the zombies. Great video. Keep doing the same thing in chronological order. And by the way, if something doesn't work for you, try my more neutral prompt. It usually works much better because it avoids forbidden words. Animate this picture with cinematic motion, soft camera movement, natural character movement, and atmosphere, while keeping the same style and composition. Claude will decide for itself what to add and what to do. This is a universal request, so it can work for many different animations. My story is pretty simple. A family wants to escape from zombies. They see a train and run into it. Inside the train, it is very cozy and safe. They travel, cook food, and look out the window at a world that has been taken over by zombies, and in the end, they arrive in a safe zone with the military. You can come up with any idea. In the meantime, all of my animations are ready. As you can see, I finished everything, and don't forget to download them by clicking the green download button. That's it. Now let's look at the final result. Wow, friends, I really like it. What do you think? Write in the comments and share what you made. You can turn this into a repeatable Faceless channel format and test new stories every few days. This format has strong viral potential because it combines storytelling, cozy visuals, and survival tension. So here's the main thing I noticed after testing Higgsfield MCP with Claude. This is not just about asking Claude to write prompts. The real value is that Claude can help plan the full creative workflow, and Higgsfield MCP gives it access to media generation. For this Faceless video, Claude helped me break down the niche, create the story, prepare the scenes, and generate the visuals through Higgsfield. Then I used those images to turn the idea into animated video scenes. And for creators, this is the important part. You can use this workflow for Faceless channels, AI video generator workflows, vibe marketing, product videos, ads, short-form content, or just testing new content ideas much faster. So if you want to try this yourself, the link is in the first line of the description and also in the pinned comment. Connect Higgsfield MCP to Claude, give it your niche, and test how fast you can go from one idea to real visual content. And it is not limited only to Claude. The same Higgsfield MCP endpoint also works with OpenClaw and Hermes, so you can build even more advanced agentic AI content creation workflows. For example, you can use OpenClaw or Hermes to run bigger creative pipelines, automate content production, test different ideas, or build a more complete AI marketing system around your product or channel. Now let me quickly show you some examples from the official Higgsfield Media Kit, so you can see what kind of results and workflows are possible with Higgsfield. As you can see, Higgsfield MCP is not just another AI video tool. It turns Claude, OpenClaw, and Hermes into creative agents that can help produce real media assets. So in this video, we found a viral Faceless niche, connected Higgsfield MCP to Claude, generated the visuals, animated the scenes, and built a full AI content workflow from scratch. That is the full process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.